Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Media Station X. First, locate and download the application from your smart TV or streaming device's app store. Installation is usually quick, taking less than 1 minute. Make sure your device has sufficient storage, ideally over 200 megabytes, and a strong internet connection. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi network is recommended for optimal streaming performance. This initial step is crucial for a smooth experience. Now let's add your content sources. From the main screen, go to Settings, then find Start Parameter. Here, you'll see an option to Add New List. This is where you'll input the web address for your media content. It's vital to type the URL precisely, including all characters, to ensure the content loads correctly. You can add multiple lists, allowing for a diverse media library. Personalizing Media Station X enhances your viewing pleasure. Within the settings, you can change the visual theme, adjust font sizes for better readability, and even set custom background images. Dive into playback options to select preferred audio languages or subtitle tracks. For advanced users, fine-tune network buffer sizes, perhaps to 5 seconds, to minimize buffering on slower connections. These adjustments make the app truly yours. Encountering issues? Don't worry, many are easily fixed. A simple restart of the application or your streaming device often resolves minor glitches. Always double-check your internet connection and ensure that the URLs for your content sources are entered perfectly. Regularly updating Media Station X to its newest version, typically released every few months, ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes, providing a more stable and enjoyable media experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.